Hey guys, it's me Ian back here. Sorry about the chair. It's kind of like old. So today I'll be teaching you guys how to make apple green slime. It's non-sticky. So this recipe is also made by someone else. So yeah, I don't have. So this is like a consistency. I'm trying to stretch it. It's not that stretchy because I put too because it's supposed to be non-sticky, so it means it can't be stretchy. So I'm gonna try and stretch this. So it is quite stretchy. As long as you gently stretch it. Okay. So without further ado, I'm going to put this back. I'm going to put this back. So I'll see you guys. So I'll be going to start doing it right. So let's get started. So the things you'll need are 2 bowls. Yes, you need 2 bowls. It's not optional. It's a must. So you need 2 bowls. I'm using these 2 as I always use for slime. Something to mix with and 2 things to mix with. You'll need glue, yeah, glue. Because it's supposed to be apple green, and I've made too much, I'm just gonna make a little bit. Yeah, I kind of made too much. And then you need paint, green paint. Eye contact solution. And what was it? Baking soda and water. So let's get started. So first things first, I get my first bowl and take my glue. I'm just gonna make a little bit as I told you, but you guys can make a lot. I'm gonna make a little bit so you guys can know how to make this. Then you put a bit of your green, since I have less like white. So this should be alright. When you're done, it should be like this, and I'm gonna mix it using this part. That's what we always use normally. So my green's like overfilling the glue, so I should put more glue. I need to wait for 10:50. So when I'm done with that, it should be like this, like so less, but whatever. When I'm done with this, put this aside. Wait, before I put this aside, take your contact lens and put it in, like drops. It's best to put a lot, not like so much, just a lot. So my slime should be like this. If it's bubbly, it's alright. So I'm going to put this aside here. I'm going to move my camera properly so you guys can see what I'm actually doing. So I'm much of a mess today. Now I need to take my baking soda, put it into this container. So when you're done, take your water, spray. Well, you can use a spray or you can just use water, just take the water. So the part I'm using to mix is this part, again, the end. Sorry for the sounds. So I'm not sure if you guys can hear me. I'm just gonna mix this well. So yeah, I won't be talking in this process. Okay, so I'm done mixing this well. And right now, it should be liquidy, like normal, just having baking soda. Take your other bowl, which you mix the apple green and stuff with. Put a little by little of the baking soda solution. Mix it. And then if it's also bubbly and mixed well, put a bit more of your solution. This actually worked. I tried once, not twice. So yeah. So right now it's like a bit slimy, but it's not fully slimy. And this is non-sticky slime. So I'm just gonna collect the whole part of the bits. Now I'm just gonna finish all my baking soda mixture. And when you're done, it should be watery. The thing should be watery. So that's here. So if it's sticking to your hand, means you're not done. I'm just going to put a little bit more eye drops just to confirm this is the slime that you're supposed to get. So I'm going to take this out. So it is a little bit sticky. So I'm recommending to sit here for a moment. So I'm just going to put the last drops of things I have here. So I've already sat here for 30 seconds at least. So I'm going to put this back. And I'll see you guys when this is in 30 seconds. So that might be 9 minutes and something. So I'll see you guys later. Guys, I am back. Sat here around for 30 seconds or so. Or 1 minute, I'm not sure. So here's the moment of truth if this is non-sticky or not. So I'm going to touch this. So it ain't sticky, but when I hold it out, I'm not sure if it will stick. So it is a bit of a sticky, well, because I make less amount. But if you guys make a big amount, it might not be sticky. So yeah, I'm just going to do this, like collecting all the slime from my fingers. And yeah, it is really stretchy because it falls on its own. And fun, but it will get messy because mine's a small amount. So yeah. Okay. So here it is, the slime which is non-sticky. It is actually non-sticky, but this one's like a small blob. So yeah. I'm not sure if this is actually counted as my creation, but if whoever created this earlier than me, then credits to that person. So yeah, I did say it was from someone else, but no, that's what my friend said. Not like my cousins, but yeah. So here it is, super stretchy. And I'm going to take the other blob and mix it with together. And this might be the last slime recipe video, unless I have more containers. So I can't promise you I will have another slime video, but if I do, then I will upload it up immediately. So I'm gonna take this out. So this is my slime here, this one. It's so non-sticky, it doesn't even stick. I'm going to get it out. So here it is. I'm gonna mix it with this. And now I'm just going to pull it gently when I'm done rolling, so it has flat as a pancake. So to see if it's stretchy, I'm just going to leave it like this. And it just slowly falls into the bowl. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Subscribe, give me a big thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in my next video if I have another slime video. Bye! Oh yeah, by the way, I'm not just doing slime, I will do games. Like, as long as you guys suggest what games you want me to play, then I might want to play it. But I don't play all kinds, like story mode and stuff, I can't. 1, I'm too late. 2, I can't download it. So anything related to Minecraft is out. So sorry. But I'll try my best to find some games that you guys might like and enjoy. So as I said, I'll see you guys in my next video. If I have another slime video, I'll upload it right now. Bye!